I am going to show you how to make my delicious daily drinker smoothie recipe. The ingredients for this smoothie are going to consist of greens, which in this case are going to be power greens that I bought from Costco, bananas, omega-3s, which are going to come from chia seeds, you can use flax seeds as well, frozen pineapple, and frozen mango chunks for flavor, and about 32 ounces of water. Step 1, place your greens into the container and make sure that you pack them in nice and tight. I fill it all the way up to about 75% of the container. Step 2, pour in your omega-3s. So that's going to be from whole chia seeds or whole flax seeds. In this case, I'm doing a whole handful right on the top. Step 3, I pour in the water. I do this before I do the fruit so that way I can see how high the water level goes. My goal here is I want to get the water all the way up to the level of the greens because I know if I've got my greens up to about 75%, I've got about 32 ounces of water that'll fill it right up to that point. Step 4, peel a couple of bananas, put them right in. Make sure they're really ripe and they're really sweet. Then put in your pineapple chunks and mango chunks and then close the hatch and blend for a solid 2 minutes straight to make it as smooth and tasty and delicious as possible. Then after that, fill up your cups and enjoy it. Now, if you have any left over, just put the cap right on top of the blender and store it in your refrigerator. Typically, smoothies will last for about 24 hours. Anything after that, they start to taste a little bit sketchy. Enjoy, smoothie shredders. Love you all.